Hi guys, we received this 60-inch ceiling fan for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it has these wood blades, which I think they look really nice, and it comes with everything you need to install. Different ceiling rods, which I think it's really nice, all the remote control and the receiver, the canopy for the base, and in here we've got the proper motor. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think it's really nice that in the controller you can set it up for up to 8 hours depending on what you want to be turned on the ceiling fan, and you have up to 6 speeds. Right now was in the third one, but we can change it to any speed we want, and as you can see, it's really powerful and really silent, which I think it's a really nice function. You also have this button so you reverse the way that the blades go, so you can use it on summertime and in winter, which I think it's a really nice option. As you can see, it looks really beautiful with the wood design and the black metal finish. I think it has a nice contrast, and as you can see, it was a really easy installation. Just some basic wiring, and that's all. You don't have to worry that much about it, and overall I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys.